Hello everyone, welcome to K360 EDU. Today we have an inspiring story about a humble family and how dreams can change lives. George lived in a small town with his wife Gladys and their son, George Jr. They were a humble family. George worked very hard every day. He wanted to give his son the best education possible. George knew that education was the key to a better life. He wanted George Jr. to have opportunities that he never had. George worked long hours and always saved money for his son's education. Even though life was difficult, George never gave up. He wanted to show his son the value of hard work. He always told him, "Study hard, and you can achieve anything." George Jr. saw his father working every day. He felt inspired and motivated. He wanted to learn as much as possible. George encouraged him to study English because he knew it would open many doors in the future. George Jr. studied very hard. He learned English, finished school, and became a teacher. He was proud of himself, but he never forgot the sacrifices his father made. Now, George Jr., as a full-grown man, works as a teacher. He loves helping children learn. He wants to inspire them, just like his father inspired him. He believes that every child deserves a chance to reach their dreams. George Jr. teaches not only English, but also important life values: hard work, dedication, and courage. His students love him because he believes in them and encourages them to do their best. Thanks to his father's effort and his own dedication, George Jr. has been able to change many lives. From humble beginnings, he created opportunities for himself and for others. This is the story of George, Gladys, and George Jr. Remember, hard work, education, and love can help anyone achieve their dreams. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to K360 EDU for more stories and English learning.